Just imagine for a moment you have a bot, you give a simple command and it makes you money in passive income. I will show you how to do this using the power of artificial intelligence. And a quick disclaimer, this is not a get rich quick scheme. This is a completely beginner friendly method and no experience is required. Just as I mentioned earlier, AI will do all the work for you. So the first step is to pick a product to promote from affiliate platforms like digistore24.com, or you can use maxbounty.com to do this. You can also use jvizu.com to do this as well. However, I prefer digistore24.com because this is one of my favorite affiliate marketplace and also it's beginner friendly. Anyone can get on board and start making money on this platform, and also because they have high converting products on this platform. So once you come over to digistore24.com, all you simply need to do is to click on the get started button, and once you do this, it's going to bring you to this page where you can simply enter your basic information and you'll be able to create your account right away. Once your account is created, all you simply need to do is to come over to the marketplace section, and this is where you're going to find various digital products that you can promote on digistore24.com. As you can see, these products are sectioned into various categories right here. So for the purpose of this video, I am going to be picking the spirituality niche as an example. And if I click on spirituality, this is where we are going to see the top products affiliates are currently using to make money in this category. Okay, so as you can see right here, the first product, which is the wealth signal, this product is going to pay us $45 for every sale we bring to this product. So all you simply need to do from here is to then click on promote now. So once you do that, this is going to show you your affiliate link. And for those who don't know, an affiliate link is a unique link given to you by a vendor of a product that you can use to track your sale, and you get credited for every sale you make. I hope this makes sense. So for this affiliate link, we are going to get paid $45 for every sale we generate using this affiliate link. And now the next step is coming over to this AI tool, which is going to be doing all the hard work for us. As you can see, writer.me is a platform that generates original and compelling content that sounds like you and not a robot. So we can use this platform to create articles, blog posts, virtually any type of content you can think of, and start making money with affiliate marketing. So once you come over to this platform and you go over to the pricing section, as you can see right here, it has a free plan which gives you 10,000 characters per month, which is more than enough. But for me, I am currently using the unlimited plan because with this plan, you will be able to generate as many content as possible, which means you can make money in passive income. And this is worth the investment because $7 is nothing compared to how much you are going to be getting paid when people start purchasing this product using your affiliate link. So once you create an account with a platform, it's going to bring you to this page, and you want to make sure to select English because in this video, I'm going to show you how to target English speaking countries because these countries usually have higher purchasing power, and I'm talking about United Kingdom, United States, Canada, Australia, and New Zealand. And now for this tone, you want to come over here and you want to make sure to change this to informative because we are going to be using this tool to give people valuable and high quality information, and in return they are most likely going to purchase our product if they find it valuable and informative. And now for the use case, you want to scroll down here and you want to select blog idea and outline. So once you do that, you then want to type in keyword related to whatever product you are promoting. Alright, so since we are promoting a spirituality product, all we simply need to do from here is to type in something like manifestation. Alright, so once we type in manifestation for this variant, I like to leave it as 1, as this means this is going to give us only one version of the content. And for creativity, I like to leave this as optimal. So once you set this correctly, all you then need to do from here is to click on write for me. So once you do that, as you can see, in less than 3 seconds, this tool generated various topics and outline we can use to generate content with this keyword. Alright, so now if you highlight this section like this, which says the proven 5-step process to manifest your dreams. Alright, so if you highlight this right here and you want to click on this writer icon, you want to then come over to this insert content and you want to click on paragraph. If you do this, as you can see, it's going to list the 5 steps for us which we can use to manifest our dreams. This type of content usually would have taken a writer hours to create, and as you can see, this tool created this content in a few seconds. So once you do that, all you simply need to do is to copy that content, and you want to create a document. And once you create the document, you want to paste in the content right here, so that once people start coming over to this page, they are going to start getting value from this content. And one more thing you can do is to simply go over to Google and you can add an image just to captivate people's attention the more. All right, so if you type in something like manifest your dreams, you're going to see a lot of images. All you simply need to do is to save this image to your device. So once you save the image, all you then need to do is to come over to this image icon and you want to upload that image. So once you upload the image, everything is going to look more captivating. As you can see right here, it looks more professional. All right, so now the final thing you then want to do is to simply go back to your Digistore24 account and make sure to copy your affiliate link. And then you want to type in a call to action like this, something like click here to manifest the life of your dreams. And you want to come over to the insert link section, and this is where you then want to paste in your affiliate link. All right, so once you paste in your affiliate link, you can give this a bold so that it stands out like this. You want to then copy this call to action, which includes your affiliate link, and you want to paste it across multiple places in this content. All right, so once you do this, this is all you need to do. And then you want to come over to the file section and you want to click on download, and you want to make sure to download this as a PDF file. And once you do that, I'm going to show you how to drive traffic to that PDF file using this platform, which gets over 260 million visits every single month. And the website is SlideShare.net. All right, so this is a file sharing platform where people come over to get inspired by various content shared by people who are interested in that niche. And as you can see right here, there are various niches right here. You can see business, mobile, social media, marketing, and so much more. All right, once you come over to this platform, you are going to see a lot of people are posting their content and they are getting a lot of views. As you can see, this was posted June 2024 and this PDF has gotten over 14,000 views on it. Imagine just 1% of these people go over to your affiliate link and purchase your product. You can imagine how much you are going to make. So all you simply need to do is to then come over to the upload section. So once you come over to the upload section, this is where you want to upload the PDF file we just downloaded. So once you upload the PDF file, as you can see, it's going to show that image right here as the preview of this PDF file. This is why it's very important to include an image in this PDF file to make it more captivating and appealing to people's eyes. And now you want to select the right category right here. So I'm just going to scroll down here and select spirituality, and here you want to type in tags that are related to this PDF. So once you type in the necessary tags, the final thing you want to do is to also add a description. And to do that, you can simply copy a portion of this PDF as the description. So once you do that, it's going to show you your discoverability score. As you can see right here, this is about 80% right here, which tells you this content is going to be seen by people who are interested in the spirituality content. All right, so once you do this, all you then need to do from here is to click on publish. And like I showed you earlier, this website gets over 260 million visits every single month. And if just 1% of the people who click to read this article find value in this article, some of them would definitely click on this affiliate link, which is then going to take them to the Digistore24 product. And if they make a purchase, you make money. So if you like this video, I highly recommend to check out this video on the screen right now, which is going to show you how to make $700 in 3 days with affiliate marketing.